Every water heater has a temperature and pressure relief valve, called a T&P valve for short. It's an important safety feature that prevents pressure from building up that could damage the heater and even your home. Over time, the T&P valve can corrode to the point where it doesn't work properly. You should be able to open the valve with your hand and hear the pressure escape. If it doesn't pass a simple test, it's time to replace the valve. For this repair, you'll need a replacement T&P valve, a PVC drain line, a pipe wrench or adjustable wrench, an extension or cheater bar, flat blade screwdriver, Teflon tape, a garden hose, and a few rags and towels. Attach a length of garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the heater. Run the other end of the garden hose to the nearest floor drain or to a safe spot outside the home. Close the shutoff valve at the cold water inlet line. Open a hot water faucet somewhere in the house. That'll relieve the system pressure inside the tank. Now, open the drain valve and allow approximately 1 gallon of water to drain for a top-mounted T&P valve or 10 gallons for a side-mounted T&P valve. Remember, the water will be hot. Be sure no one is near the drain hose so they don't get scalded. Detach the runoff tube connected to the T&P valve. Remove the old T&P valve with a wrench. You may need to use a cheater bar or short length of metal pipe for extra leverage. You may get some additional water draining, so have some rags or towels handy. Now you're ready to install the new T&P valve. Use Teflon tape to seal the threads. Count out at least 6 wraps of tape. Make sure the new T&P valve is in the closed position. Reconnect the new PVC drain line to the T&P valve. Now open a hot water faucet somewhere in the home and open the shutoff valve at the cold water inlet line. You'll hear the heater tank start to fill. Lift the lever on the T&P valve. When you have a steady stream of water from the T&P drain line, close the valve. When you have a steady stream of water from the hot water faucet, turn the faucet off. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. For gas heaters, turn the gas supply back on. You may need to relight your pilot per the instructions in your use and care manual. Then give the water heater a few minutes to recover. Check the T&P valve one more time to make sure it's tight. Congratulations! You've made an important repair that assures longer life and greater safety for your water heater.